This is my design for a candlelight night lamp, which includes an inner lampshade, an outer lampshade, and a lamp base. Just click the one-click slicing button. It's very simple and user-friendly. The Blueprint Studio auto-slicing function automatically arranges, rotates, and adds supports to the model. Send it directly to the 3D printer via LAN. Step 1. Print the lampshade part using transparent resin. Step 2. Clean the 3D print using the washing machine. Step 3. Use the curing machine to cure the printed part again to increase its strength. The surface of the lampshade has some layer lines, which need to be sanded down. Print the base part of the night lamp. HeyGears CMYK printing kit comes with 5 bottles of resin. Using these 5 colors, we can easily achieve any color we want. HeyGears provides a color chart with 24 colors to choose from. This time, I'll use color number 23. Following the color mixing guide, we can easily obtain different colors of resin. According to the mixing guide, we need magenta and white in an 8:1:1.9 ratio. When creating a new project in the software, we need to select the CMYK PAM10 resin in the Materials section. As usual, click the one-click slicing button. It's time-saving and worry-free. We need to sand the print to remove the marks left by the supports. Next, the final step, solder the battery, circuit board, and LED light. Install the power socket and touch switch. Attach the lampshade to the lamp base. The night lamp is now taking shape. The candlelight night lamp is complete. The entire process is very simple, and the lamp looks exquisite.